Okay, today we'll see further more constructions tool in Adobe Illustrator like pencil tool, right? We have here a lot of tools. We'll see how shaper tool works, pencil tool works, and all this. All right. So let me switch on magnifier so it will be like a bigger screen. So all right. So here we do have this one. First of all, shaper tool. All right. So how shaper tool work? Let's see. Shaper tool, when you will take shaper tool and if you will draw any approximate shape, so it will make it accurate, correct shape. For example, if you want to draw a circle, so just make a circle like approximate shape, so it will create accurate design. But the students is asking, we can create like any shape? No, we can create only these shapes which are already available here. All right. So if you want to create this shape, you can use shaper tool like this, and you can create even triangle. All right. You can even create rectangle, right, or polygon like this. What else we can do with the shaper tool? If you will make another shape on like this, right, and if you just make like this, so it will also merge the shapes like this. So you can also merge shapes by this. Actually, this feature is mostly used for the free artwork designers who are using drawing pad and they are making like cartoons or free illustrations. Then they can use this one, shaper tool. All right. Next, the most amazing tool which I like it, pencil tool. The shortcut key is N for this. All right. Take pencil tool and now just click and drag. Look, click, hold and drag, and you can make a freehand shape with the pencil tool. All right. But it's different from the pen tool. In pen tool, you have to click and release, all right, like this. But in pencil tool, you have to click and hold, left click. Then you can create freehand design like this. Any design you want to make, just like when you are closer, you will see this circle at the end of the cursor, means you are going to close, right? For example, when you see the static sign with the pencil tool, means you are going to create, right? Look like this. So when you come close to the end point, first point, you will see you will change to 0 circle, means you are going to close that, right? There are always two kind of objects are open path object. These objects are open path object. The object which are not closed, and the object which has start point and end point is called open path object, right? You can make them closed path object. Even you can connect like this. Now is a closed path object. In closed path object, we don't have start point, end point, right? Look, and it doesn't have any point. So in Illustrator, we mostly use closed path object to be filled. All right. If you don't want to, and don't fill any open path object. For example, Illustrator will fill it also, but don't fill it. All right, because it's not a proper method. So always when you want to fill, just make it closed path object, then you can fill it. All right. So we not only we can create freehand shapes. If you want to create a straight line with pencil tool, click and hold shift. Look, when you hold shift from the keyboard, you can draw a freehand straight line. Look, right? When you click and draw, right? But if, for example, I want to draw a triangle, I will select all, control and delete. If you want to draw a triangle with the pencil tool, look, if you hold shift key, you can make like this, and look, now this time like this, and then this. So now you cannot connect it with this because shift means the straight line. And how I can sort it out this issue? If you want to lock the first point with the pencil tool, press Alt from the keyboard. When you press Alt from the keyboard, it will lock the last point and give you a straight line, right? By holding Alt key. Look, the line is straight and the first point has been locked. Again, hold Alt key, look like this, and hold Alt key like this, look. So it will act as a pen tool, we can say, right? If you hold Alt key like this and then click again, look, you can move. The line will be straight. Look, and again like this and again. But I think this one is better. You can use also pen tool for this action. But you can draw also. So with combination of shift and also the Alt key, you can create many things with the pen tool. Alright. And next tool in pen tool we have, which is called in this combination, next tool we have smooth tool, and I like this tool. And you will see also whatever you are creating now and that object is not smooth, you can make it smooth. Alright, how? Just take smooth from here and just hover over from on the anchors point. Look, it will remove the anchors and it will add if required, and it will make your curve more smooth. Look, right? So if you have made it anything with any tool, even if you have made it something with the pen tool like this, all right, so any tool, and you want smooth tool, and look at there, so how precisely it will make your curve very smooth. Look, all right, like this. So whatever you have drawn with any tool, you can just use the smooth tool to make your curve more smoother. All right. So smooth tool is amazing. We have one more tool also. If you don't want to use smoother tool, smooth tool, you can use also one tool here we have. Just right click, and here you have one tool which is called simplify. So it will automatically, it will simplify your object. So it will, if you want to add more anchor or if you want to remove anchor. So just drag towards left side, it will remove some anchors and it will make it more smoother. If you go this side, it will add few anchors and also make it smooth. 12 points. It's showing also how much points it's adding and how much 12 total. You can use simplify, or if you want to do manually, then choose this smooth tool and hover over the anchors. So it will add and delete, and it will make your object very smooth. Very useful tool. Alright. Next tool we have path eraser. Like name describes, is a path eraser tool. Alright. Path eraser tool means it will erase the path outline, not the shape. It's not a shape eraser. Right. It's a path eraser. If you click and just drag like this, so it will erase the path, whatever path you have, either on even like any shape you have. So you have to select it, then go here, and then you can choose path eraser tool from here like this, and you can erase the path. Even if you have wrote it some text, right? And if you want to erase its path, but this is text, it's not a shape right now. You remember how to convert into shape, right? So go to here, type, all right, and create outlines, all right. So type and just create outline, so it will be converted into shape. Now I'll just move to outline. Now it's a path, all right. So you can do ungroup, then you can take a path eraser tool from here, and you can just erase after making selection. I will zoom it and make a selection, then path eraser, and look at there. You can just erase path. Look, from wherever you want to cut, you can do like this. All right. So it's a path eraser tool. You can erase the path or the outlines. All right. Okay. Next tool we have here, which is called, so path eraser means to erase the path, to erase the line. I will give you one assignment. In that assignment, you have to erase the path like this. You have, and just take this path eraser tool and erase from here to this area. Look, like this. Easily you can erase. All right. Okay. Next tool we have join tool. Join tool is used to join the lines like this. All right. You can join. Okay. We can join by using right click also. For example, you want to join these two anchor points. So you have to select first of all these two anchor points by direct selection tool. Then right click and you can choose join. So you can join also like this. Or you can use join tool as well if you want to join the lines. So this is all about these tools, how we can use these tools to draw particular shapes. All right. So next tools we have here. So here we have. Okay. So shaper, this is all tool done, and next to it we have this tool, eraser tool. This one basically called shape eraser tool, and I like it. And I have created many shapes with this shaper tool, and it's amazing tool. For example, I will fill it. All right. Now you can see if you want to erase something, if you want to erase shape. So this, it will not only erase the shape, it will create an independent identity. It will create a separate shape. and with the outlines, because it's a shape eraser. Look, you can move it. Look. Alright. So shape eraser tool, you can erase the shape. So click it here and just move like this. Look, it's erased. You can fill the colors, different colors in the other and different colors in this. Select this one and change different color like this. Alright. But there are some changes we can do also in eraser tool. For example, you don't want this width of the eraser. What I want to change this width of the brush. So how we can do that? So you have to double click on that icon. So you will get this eraser tool option. From this option, you can change the angle, the roundness and the size. If you change the size like this, so that size will be increased. Even if you click, so it will erase the look. Even if you click, it will erase like this. Look. And even in the mid, like this. Even you can create a hole. Alright. Undo. I will do undo. So again, you can just double click, and from here again you can change also the angle. Look, size has been changed, and you can change angle as well. Look, like this. Then you can use smooth tool also if you want to make it more smooth. Look, like this. Alright. And here like this. Right. So you can use smooth eraser tool to create a lot of options. Double click, and I will reset it. So I don't want, I will keep it simple. And angle, no need for angle, just keep it simple like this. Alright. If you want to erase in a straight line, hold shift key. When you hold shift key, you can erase in a straight line. Look at there. Look. So if you want to erase a straight, just hold shift key to erase straight. Alright. If you want to erase in a rectangular format, okay, for example, your shape is going outside the artboard like this, and you want to erase this in a rectangular format. Simple, what you will do like this, and it will take, of course, time like this, and it's not accurate as well. So we can erase in a rectangular format as well. Take eraser tool and hold Alt key from the keyboard. When you hold Alt key and drag, it will give you rectangular area to be erased. Look, it's amazing. Alright. And you can erase not only the one shape, you can erase many shapes, but make sure you have selected all like this. Take eraser tool and hold Alt key, and look, you can erase all the shapes. Look like this. Look like this. Right. So even if you can use eraser like in a professional way, you can create a lot of shapes also with the eraser tool as well. Right. So I like this tool, eraser tool, and I can create many drawings with it. Okay. Next tool we have scissor tool. Scissor tool is used to cut the path, only to make a cut on the path, not erase, not delete. Alright, only to make a cut. For example, if you have this shape, round rectangle, and I'll just remove its fill color from here. Alright. Now what I want to do, I want to make a cut from here and here. So what I will do, take a scissor tool from here and just click wherever you want, like this and like this. Now the cut has been made from here like a scissor, and you can just make it separate. Look like this. Some students are getting confused with like this tool. We have direct selection tool, and we are clicking on the anchor, and we are getting option here also on the property bar. But read, cut path at selected anchor point means you can only cut at anchor point. You cannot cut anywhere. If I want to cut from the mid, I cannot, because here there is no anchor point. Add anchor. Alright, you have to add anchor if you want to cut at that point. So what with scissor, you can cut anywhere like this. You can cut anywhere. So it doesn't need any anchor point. Look, it will cut it. Alright, so scissor tool is used to cut path. So there is a difference between path eraser and scissor. Eraser will erase the path, but scissor only will make a cut. And you can use this in different design like this. Alright. For example, you can also, you have like maybe the shape like this. Alright. For example, now you want to cut it here, you want to delete, simple. So just click here, so it will be cut it, and click here, so it's cut also. Now you can just delete it like this. So you can make like this. Alright, so that one, scissor tool. Next tool is also one of my favorite tool, and which is called knife tool. Alright, here we have this knife tool. Inside this knife tool, in this knife tool we can cut object like this smoothly, right? And it will make a separate shape. Look, not only one, you can cut many. If you have many shapes like this and you want to cut them off, you can easily cut them. Alright, so select this one and take a knife tool and just make like this, so it will cut all the shapes. Look, alright, and you can create a lot of amazing drawings with this. For example, you have this one, and take a knife tool and just make like this. Alright, or undo and you can make like this also. Look, right, now you can change the color and the shape will be different. If you want to make a straight cut, okay, this time we will not use shift key, we'll use alt key to make a straight, like this straight line cut like this. And you have this one, you can cut like this and cut like this, right? So even you can make cut like this. So everything is now look different. Right, we were making the Google logos in shape builder, you remember, right? With knife tool we can also make it. For example, just make this one and just give the outline. Right, just remove the fill color from here and just increase the width like this. Right, from the outline. Right, from here. Now I want to make it shape, then go to object and expand. Alright, and fill and stroke. Yes, now it's a shape. Okay, now take a knife tool and you can cut from here like this. Alright, so many places you can cut from here, from here, from here. Look, so wherever you want to cut, you can easily cut like this. Look, now you need to ungroup after making this action. Look at there. Look, right. So knife tool is amazing to cut the shapes, right? So these are the most constructions tools we use.